them next to the heater because she was not sitting on them. I don't want to bake them either. Oh, for heaven's sakes. I don't know what to do. Okay, I don't want to bake them. That should be good. Okay. It's starting. Hello everyone, how are you? It is Sunday, later afternoon. The snow was supposed to start at 11 a.m., but it's not starting now. It's not supposed to get heavy till about 3. It just started snowing, it's about 3:30. So I woke up this morning, and there's 2 baby canaries, and I do have the food, and I talked to a breeder, and she said soak some milk, bread and some milk, and just leave that in a bowl too. And I'm trying to do everything I can, and it's kind of cold in here, and my living room heater is broken, so I put them next to the kitchen heater. I'm leaving them alone. I'm just going to let them stay near the heater, check on them every 2 hours to see if they need additional feeding if she's not feeding them, because that's what happened last time. And this time we have 2 little ones. And I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee with peppermint stick creamer and watch it's Wild Hogs with Tim Allen and John Travolta. It's Martin Lawrence, I think. It's funny. Daisy May's sleeping, and it's going to be a cozy weekend. Well, Sunday, but my weekend. I'm working on a hat, this color, purple, a deep, deep eggplant, and then I'm going to outline and this, isn't that cute? So, that's what's up with me. I hope you all stay warm if you're up north, and stay blessed no matter where you are.